Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you was sent over by S&T INC, and it is a 4-pack of towel hooks. And now these are pretty cool because you can put them basically anywhere. They have a nice peel and stick adhesive part on the back, so you can sit there and put them on a wall, put them by your sink, put them by the washing machine if you need any towels or anything in those kind of areas. Now, in addition to just the peel and stick, they do include some hardware. There is a little hole in the inside, so you can screw these into like a piece of wood or something if you don't want to purely rely on the adhesive, but the adhesive works really, really well. Now, to give you an idea of the size here, it's about 1.7 inches in diameter, and then it sits off the wall about 1 inch. And overall, they're super easy to use. So you're just gonna take your towel or whatever you have. You can even use these on like a pair of cleaning gloves. You can use them above your stove for some like hot pads or anything, but you just simply push in the towel there and it holds it. It holds nice and strong. They don't take up a lot of room. And they're very lightweight, and then as you can see, they has a nice thick rubber here that makes it easy to utilize. But it's as simple as that. So if you're looking for a solution to hang up some stuff, like I said, a towel, let it dry a little bit easier when it's hanging instead of just leaving the wet towel on your counter, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do tip respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.